Hey guys, this is Quentin. We're just in my bedroom looking today. Something unique in my bedroom is my Craftsman 1/2 horsepower belt drive. This is the wall button right there. Now let's do the one, and as you can see, the light turns on. And I have a special remote. I don't see it anywhere. Remote, where is it? I don't see it. Nope, 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 nope. I don't see it. Well, yeah, my garage door opener, it did not like this remote that I'm holding in my hand. See? That's why it's not working. It didn't like to program this one. Don't know why. Yeah, the opener, it did not like this Craftsman remote, so, I don't know why. Well. Oh, there's the remote. And let's do it with the wall button first, with the opening. Here we go. And let me show you the model number really quickly. Well, hold on a sec. Okay, let's show you the model number really quick. So there's the model number right there. 139.54920. Now let's go ahead and close it with the remote. Now open it back up. Really nice remote. Okay, pretty nice opener. I'll post that video on YouTube. Check back soon and subscribe to the channel. Bye.